How to delete saved chats on Snapchat quickly. So the first step is by opening your Snapchat app and then go to your profile found on the upper left corner of the screen. Once you have done that, go to your settings found on the upper right corner and scroll down until you can see the clear conversation button. So whenever you have the clear conversation button, you just simply click on it. So I don't have the clear conversation right now, but you may be able to see it under privacy controls right here. Click on clear conversation, or if you have right here, clear data, clear conversation, and then you just simply click on the X mark found on the rightmost part of that conversation. For example, I will click this one, click on clear, wait for it to load, and then there you go. You may press on the X once again, click on clear, and repeat the steps until you clear all the conversation that you have. So that's it. That's how you can delete saved chats on Snapchat quickly. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.